Hi guys, this TAMIYA NEO Fighter Buggy was reasonable, but not quite fast enough for me. So luckily today the 6000 mAh 2S Extreme Power Hardcase Lipo arrived. As well as this Racerstar Brushless combo. The ESC is 60 amp. It's got a D-plug for the battery and of course wires for the receiver and for the motor. So what else is in this box? Manuals for the motor and for the ESC and the motor itself. It's a 3650 3900 kV. The shaft is 1/8 or 3.175 mm. Now let's see whether or not this battery fits inside this car. This TAMIYA buggy is not designed for lipos, but as you can see, it's a perfect fit. The new brushless ESC will be mounted in place of the TAMIYA TBLE02S brushed ESC. The new brushless motor has the same size as the original TAMIYA 540 can size motor. This is the removed TAMIYA ESC. It will be recycled in an upcoming project. This is the disconnected original motor. First we have to remove the gearbox cover. The 17 teeth aluminium pinion is then removed. And here you can see the old and the new motor. The motor screws are secured with Loctite, as well as the pinion grub screw. Everything is now wired to my DIY Arduino receiver. So let's do a first function test. It's running in the wrong direction and it's not full throttle, so we will have to change the software later. The original TAMIYA power switch is now soldered to the Racerstar ESC. The solder joints are protected with shrink tubes. The power switch is now screwed back in place. And the ESC is mounted with double-sided tape. The wiring is secured with zip ties. Finally, the receiver software with the calibration for this ESC is uploaded. The wiring is now finished. And the TAMIYA receiver cover goes back in place. The capacitors are attached with double-sided tape. The final step is to reattach the rear wing. Now we are ready for a short outdoor test. And by the way, the rear wheels are from a WL Toys 12428. This power is insane. How long will the tires last? Half a battery? Remember, this is 2S. You can also run this brushless combo on 3S. And you can also use a 19 teeth pinion. And yes, this is a rear tire after half a battery. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!